Students, you have already studied about triangles and many of their properties. In class 9th, you have studied about congruences of triangles in detail. Many of my students can tell it easily. What is congruency? Give me example of congruent figures in comment box just now. Definitely, they have already written their answer till now. Okay. I explain. If two figures and same shape and size are called congruent. Now, in this chapter, we shall study about those figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Friends, tell me how height of mountain or any long distance objects have been find out. For example, distance of moon from us or height of Mount Everest. Do you think we can measure it directly with help of measuring tapes? No. In fact, all these find out by indirect measurement or based upon similarity of figures. Students, you know that all circles with same radius are congruent. All squares with same sides are also congruent. And all equilateral triangles are congruent. From these all figures, we can conclude that they all are congruent as well similar also. But all similar figures need not to be congruent. Take one other example of your photograph of your childhood, means age 5, and other picture of now says 15. What will you say now? Yes, these pictures are same size but not same in shape. So, they will not be similar. So, students, to understand the concept more better, we will do exercise 6.1, filling the blanks. Now, our first filling the blanks is, all circles are congruent or similar. We know our all circles are of same shapes. So, all circles are similar. All circles are similar. Next filling the blanks is, all squares are dash. All squares are also of same shape. So all squares will be similar. So here we will put similar. Next is, all dash triangles are similar. Which triangles will be similar? All equilateral triangles will be similar. So our answer will be equilateral. Now two polygons of the same numbers of sides are similar. Two polygons which have same number of sides are similar, rather their corresponding angles are equal or proportional. That will be equal. If their angles will be equal, then their sides will be similar. Their corresponding sides are in proportional. Their corresponding sides will be proportional. So, we conclude from all these fill-ups that all circles are of same size and all triangles are of same size, or equilateral triangles all will be similar. So, two polygons. In polygons, we can say that if their angles will be equal, then it will be similar. Or if their sides, corresponding sides will be in same ratio, same proportion, then it will be similar. Friends, today you have to learn the similar triangles, some properties of similar triangles. Now, in next video, we will do Thales theorem. Thank you.